before we get into this video, I need y'all to go to y'all quality settings. Go to 1080p HD. So you could get a better, hold on. There we go. So you could get a better view. Mars?
With the Mars? Yeah. 10 times in my jars. In the foreign. You niggas funny, my alarms. Your money funny like Norbit. Bro, on my nigga, that's your bitch. I pick her up like a forklift. Then I get that bitch more dick and drop her back off at your crib. I've been a boss and they know it.
YouTube, it's your boy, Air Mars. We back with another shoot video today for y'all, man. I don't even know what's in here, but I think I do. I got like 3 pairs of shoes on the way, so I don't know why they put it in this big box, bro, but whatever. I mean, and this packaging is, it's shitty, to say the least. But crack it on open, man. Alright. Could have did better. It is what it is. Get that. Shit, dusty, man. Too crispy for this. Gosh, man. Alright, yep, it is. It's exactly what I thought it was. We got them Black History Month ones, 2017 on deck. Check that box out. Regular Jordan 1 box. Not regular Jordan 1 box, but just the typical Air Jordan box. You feel me? Basically the GR box that they've been coming out with, the black and gold. Only difference is it got that BHM logo on there, Black History Month. Alright. Let's see, size 10. Check that tag out one time. What that thing say Air Jordan 1 High, BHM, color, black metallic, gold, black. Yeah. Retail at 150. What I caught these things for? I got these off eBay for about like I think I got them for 150. Yeah, somewhere around there, bro. Here them things go, man. Yep. DS, look. DS. That's what I'm talking about. D motherfucking S. I was scared, man, because I don't usually do eBay for my shoes, dude. I really don't. So I'm glad that he ain't send me no used shit. I was gonna be pissed. Check them bad boys out, man. Oh my goodness. Dude, I feel it. I feel it. Yep. I definitely feel it. The fucking leather is everything that they said it would be. Oh shit. Yo. I'm satisfied. Jordan brand, y'all did good. Y'all should do all the Jordan 1s like this.
Like that!
This is that shatter backboard shit that everybody been talking about, man. This is that. Oh my god.
All these niggas weak, all these niggas hoes. Some of y'all alright, but you ain't squad though. No new niggas, that's just how it go. Feeling flyer than a crow with this all black on. All my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing. All of them arrive for me, think that you gon' rob me. Please don't even try, homie. Military minded. My niggas would die for me, I'd die for them. I wouldn't die for my country. Break bread with my niggas, yeah, we cutting up a loaf. One chopping up the beat, call that cutting up the dope. Motherfucker hoe, bitch, you ain't gon' ride for me, but you play a role. Gon' hit up this cock for me. All I want is guap, money, cheese. Ah, you get the picture. I just want the paper, not the sheets that you put in printers. Mobbing with my niggas, MOB. Money over bitches, I would never go against the team under no conditions. All these niggas weak, all these niggas hoes. Some of y'all alright, but you ain't squad though. No new niggas, that's just how it go. Feeling flyer than a crow with this all black on. All my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing, all my niggas mobbing, niggas mobbing. All my niggas mobbing. FAU.
The beat, bitch.
You're scared of the Grinch!
Fam shit.
We running in your house. Finesse shit.
C-block. War-block.
Running in your house. Finesse shit. Like the good bitch. Give me that. Running in your house. Finesse shit. Yeah. Running in your house. Finesse shit like I'm Grinch, bitch. Yeah, this ain't Christmas. Nigga lick up on your gifts. Me and my niggas about the shit. We out the box. Running in your house like the fucking Grinch, bitch. Running in your house finessing shit like the Grinch, bitch. Running in your house finessing shit like the Grinch, bitch. Running in your house finessing shit like the Grinch, bitch. Running in your house finessing shit. Give me your shit, bitch. Running in your house finessing shit like the Grinch, bitch. At the door it looked like Grinch too, bitch. Granny two bitches could've sworn they was sister twins. Some future. Sippin' on that dirty Sprite, got it leaning like a kickstand. Link, that links, FAM, no French. Finessing niggas, and I swear it wasn't planned. Run in this house with no mask and let it blam. With no mask, boy, and I'm a fuck bitch. She just wanna fuck me, bitches suck this dick.